ɔkyerɛ sɛ aban allowances bi wɔ man mu a ya na yɛde ma paramount chiefs ahemfo no ɛne ahema ahodoɔ a ɛwɔ man mu na ohwɛ a na gyina 1,000 Ghana cedis ɛne 800 na the queen mothers no agi 800 Ghana cedis na paramount chiefs no agi 1,000 Ghana cedis na enre beto dwa sɛ saa allowances no aban ahurim ɛkɔ ɛmɔho miensa which is now paramount chiefs no bɛgye 3,000 Ghana cedis a month na queen mothers no so agi 2,400 cedis a month na Ghana ha yɛwɔ wɔn mako bɛyɛ about 400 wɔn bɛgye sɛ sika yi bosome bia na wohwɛ mu a I don't have a problem with sɛ yɛbɛ increase yahemfo no ana yahemafo no allowances ana yɛbɛtum ɛde akɔ danim but yɛhwɛ the current challenge a yɛwɔ no a na mehu the margin of increase 3 times a yɛbɔ ho mprɛnsa ɛde increase na mehu ni sɛ sika wɔ hɔ paa yɛwɔ sika and the problem of Ghana how we prioritize yɛn sika sɛm ntotoyɛ in terms of prudence in financial management a big problem in this country because politicians per se abribia na yeye bibia yede beye sa akoye te se enhwehwani mu ade enya yi kura yenye se beye a ye behu ye se ye good ana se ye benya animunyam pebi ewo nipa bi anim but the reality of the issues on the ground no ya na yempese ye hwe ho na mejidi say our queen mothers and our paramount chiefs themselves almost will not be happy to have this triple increment and answer 3 times of increment in this allowances yede ema womu wa bra. There are so many issues regarding SHS4 and na mera ho say SHS4 a ewo school no sabri atosode eni ade a wo mo de be ka wo maduane ho adie ne ayeden enti headmasters no say anhwe yi a enche wono beto to schools ni bi mu because niema wo mo de be ka ho no aburo de ebi wo ho emo ebi wo ho wutie headmasters na emom de wo mo de be ya abomu menka ne sa typically yede ye stew yede ye weni yede aka aduane sa amo no ho ne aburo ne wanwan na die no it's a problem. Etibra Facebook be ha de we ye nkwada e wo school mu hwaduane a wo mu di na headmaster no akasa mpese wo awutie bi na ye hwɛ some of the issues on the ground
fees. So what happened at the meeting was that the minister as usual directed the issues to the get fund get fund, you know, should I call it an agreement? A disagreement. I think this was a follow-up meeting that, as you rightly mentioned, that Charles executives had with the Ministry of Education, as well as also in that meeting were the Conference of Principals of Technical Institutes, COPTI, as well as Get Fund and our own Director General, and then Buffer Stock, and a number of other key stakeholders. Yes, so it was a follow-up meeting because earlier on the 10th, we as usual, national officers visited the minister and just to brief him on some issues and also to draw his attention to some outstanding issues, which included the issue of outstanding payments for perishable fees. So what happened at the meeting was that, the minister, as usual, directed the issues to the Get Fund, Get Fund, you know, is the official sponsor, or they pay for the free senior high school. So the issues were addressed to him, and then for redress.
Enti Osha utie headmaster no ekwa Charles for headmaster no wono mo ensem wo mo Canada na kire se aban di wo mo ka a esi ye disika ba for 7 months utie akwa. You can go and listen to the whole say arrears wo mo ede wo mo ka be 7 months a yentua ma wo mo a wo de beto atosode ne ade de aka enuane e wo ho no ho de ayama mo frɛ ne timi adi edi no ma bi atimi say te say tomatoes no mo ne say bije ne no mo ne no ma ekeka ka ho a ebetumi asɛe no perishable fruits no a ye de ye no mo mfa ngu because egu wo cha e be say ntie no abiri bi o mo kodwa so kodi dwa no matrons no kono ba kodi dwa no mo de abenu ama nkwada no besi 7 months mu ni sika no enkoi a wo mo de be kwa kodi say dwa ne de abeye nuane ama nkwada no. All in the name okoka sisi ano ebeka so sika ni ho ye boaboa ye ho na ya betua. In fact, the queen mothers and the paramount chiefs oman demande wa ban ho se tumum prensa maye ana boye sika won prensa. They never said that. They never said that. Even if they had requested say allowance ye betumu a oman kase ye ntumum emohom prensa. And I'm not sure say ye benya wo hene ana wo hema wo be happy say we should have enkwada wenum emre wo school omunya aduane pani sebe a teacher for wo munya adwuma 14-16 months a wo makatua kora wo nsanka na ebi nso sika kamu a yentua na ye de be say ye keka sika bom e de abeya nhwehwani mu aboho mprensa e de ama wo just because of ye pese ye kire bibi. What actually is happening? Financial prudence. Say yesika semwa. Yeah, to ni ye using a challenge for this country. Very, very big challenge for this country. I'm not saying say nisi tune, but the margin of increase. Matters a local government minister say from 2017. Womun to munti ye ka ye babesi hano dia ye triple. Then it means say you will scapa. You will scat. So these teachers might not be crying this way. They shouldn't be crying this way. These are some of the teachers here. Rematan womu sika maye bi konkurase ba bi ya postu womu ne ade ho no nye womu tinkurase kira ade ebusuani bi ani ho gombedi aden. Then we post them akoya adwuma katua ma ebi de kro mu nya ye ba ye bese o mabo adidie ni ade nyina no wa ye adwuma 14 months bi de ba 1 month pe. And aban ese oni sika kra no a wotua obetua ne prekope jefe no to fuma me oso obetua no nkakra. GES approves payment of 16 months salary arrears for newly recruited teachers to be disbursed in 4 installments. Ye bechichem atua ne nkakra. Aban kire se oni sika obetua ne prekope. But we have been able to triple allowances for over 400. You see, I'm not against it, but the margin of increase, many necessary problems here cause we no. These are our traditional leaders, almost your leaders, and they will not be happy to see say, "Omuma here teacher for sofa," and kwada was secondary school near Bianini, and then we are doing this in Shishiani. Yentotu yesika semu ye say yen how we plan prudently with our finances. That's the challenge of this country. Me hu say sika wo ho pa. sika wo ho pa she said there mahu se sika wo ho pa so there is no excuse for this SHS in kwada say almost 7 months arrears for perishable food no ebekam this month by ending no enko yemfa nkoba omo no muntu aduane man kwada ni no muntu bi perform well e wo school no mo wase so nyefe aduane fun man kwala feli aduane fun e man kwada feli exams se munimu a aduane fun e ban kwada feli because aduane na wo di na nkasa ntimi nkoya adwene ni mu adwuma yi aduane no kura anye papa aduane na wo di no wo di sun ene yam yibi na chese oya wo bi na edi aduane no to no akotena classroom wo say as what tinkwasum as wo mu ye slaves and the monies are not going chance for no na complaining no mahu se ska wo now we need to also pay these teachers ma installment no mo aka no e meye krokro de don pay them all arrears na akemu no we need to pay because I've seen say no we can jump steps and move into yenye the needful na nkwada ye wo school enu amere ho pa why should this happen that for 7 months sika no nkoi meanwhile say get fund be funded hwan ya kire ba bi the source of funding ni be free so why is the money not going o mind we no ano kire say eduru ba bi a wan wi ya benya kompo
Nhyira 104.5
All right, Nhyira 104.5. Bra, ye ni dwa kakra.
Kofi, ye ni dwa kakra. Na ye